Underwear care. Here's something you'll like: all our panties can be washed in the machine in cold water on gentle. If they need a little extra love, follow these steps. Step 1. Re-love. Dab any stains with mild soap and water and gently rub. Step 2. Splish Splash. Soak for a few minutes, then gently work the suds into the fabric and rinse. Step 3. Snag Alert. Use a mesh lingerie bag so the underwear doesn't get snagged. Step 4. Lay flat. Lay underwear out on a towel to dry. If you decide to use the machine, tumble dry with no heat. Heat breaks down the spandex and elastic, causing panties to age before their time. Please subscribe our channel.